Today's video is all about getting glam. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to do literally every single beauty treatment I can think of. Like eyebrows, hair extensions, hair color, facial, tanning, hair removal, eyelash extensions, nails. Like, we're just gonna go full glam. Most of these things I have tried before, but some of them are gonna be new. But we're just gonna go balls to the wall and do it all. We're gonna start this video with something I have never done before, but is something I've always wanted to try, which is a laser hair removal. Even if the entire world was blind and I was the only one that could see my hair, I would still shave my legs because I just like that feeling. Which brings us to our sponsor today, who is Happy Skin Co. It is this little at-home IPL laser removal hand set. As I've said, I am a laser hair removal virgin. I've never done it in a salon. I've never done it at home. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm excited because if this works, then I don't have to shave my legs daily like I normally do. I've been watching every video on the Happy Skin Co. handset. I've been looking at everyone's before and afters, and it seems like 6 to 12 weeks is when you start seeing like very little to no hair growth. 3 weeks is when you're supposed to start noticing a difference, but you only use it once a week for like 6 to 12 weeks. I am nervous, but I am excited. We're gonna do a patch test first. Oh my god, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. I don't... Oh. It didn't hurt! Oh my god, okay. If anything, it just feels like warm. I've never went to... Whoa, that's bright. I've never went to a salon to get this done because I'm just so scared of it hurting because everyone was like, oh, it's like a rubber band snapping. This is like so light and warm. Thank God. That took me probably a minute. We already have one leg down. It feels a little bit warm, but like no rubber band snapping feeling at all. And Happy Skin Co. gave us a coupon code for $50 off. It is not like an affiliate code. I don't get commission, but the code BRIT50 with 1 T gives you $50 off. So if you want to check it out for yourself, I will put it in the video description along with everything else we are going to try, which next is a facial. Let's go. My skin has just been going through a time this year, so I'm gonna do a hydrofacial at a place called Orange Twist. I'm doing this because it's supposed to hydrate and exfoliate at the same time, and I just need everything because I have dry, oily, acne skin that's sensitive and needs help. So let's go. Let's take an awkward Uber ride to Calabasas because I still don't drive, so you can join me for that, and then hopefully this works. That feels so cool. Yeah. Crush these blackheads. Dude, my skin actually looks good. Wait. It's like juicy. Oh my god, my face has never felt so plump and juicy. My skin is looking good, but I think the facial made my eyelash extensions come off. So we're gonna do that right there, right here, right now. I'm currently rushing. My mug broke. Very upset about it, and I'm almost late. If I call my Uber right now, I'll be okay. But we are going to do brows. Here are what my natural brows look like. I've been trying to grow them out because they are not sisters, they are not friends, they are enemies. Desi Perkins posted on her story that she was getting her brows done, and they looked so good. I went straight to the girl she tagged and booked an appointment next day, and I'm hoping my brows look like that. Now I don't have the address. What's the address? It's ordered. We're going. Let's go. I'm hoping today is gonna be the last day of the transformation. It's like 7 a.m. right now. I'm very tired, but I'm very excited because this is gonna be gone. We're gonna do hair extensions and I think a little bit of color just to blend down my roots. I'm going to do hair extensions with Rishi hair extensions. Let me actually just show you what we're working with. It's not like my bun was cute. This is what we're working with. Really miss long hair. And let's just go, you know, balls to the wall. That's the whole point of this video. All right, guys, here is the finished hair. I'm sorry I didn't film when I was there, but we were filming it for Instagram, so I'll post it eventually. But this is the final product. I was feeling so bomb in the last clip. I don't think I'm gonna be able to beat the feeling of freshly applied extensions, but I promised you guys nails and tan. We are not going to break our promises. I already did my nails. Actually, my toilet like will not stop making that noise. I look like this because we're gonna tan right now at home. This is one I've tried maybe twice. I think it's a new product. I just got it at Target and it was fairly inexpensive in comparison to like a Saint Tropez. And the 2 times I did use it, I did really like it. I am gonna apply it with a tanning mitt. This one's just from Loving Tan. Let's get tanning. Let's start by putting this hair up. I honestly don't know how Ariana Grande does it. She must have just like a clip-in pony. So you leave it on for like 2 to 4 hours, or 1 to 4, and it's in the shade medium, so it just comes out like a foam. I just have 2 pumps. It literally just fell on the floor. Okay, maybe 1 pump. And I do bring just like a little essence onto my neck, kind of like a little contour. I honestly don't understand how people do their back. I just do it and then hope for the best and don't really look back there. It's kind of ironic how my Getting Glam video is the least glamorous video I've ever made. Like what is this? And now we wait like 4 hours. And 4 hours later, we are kind of tan. I feel like it didn't take that much, but I'm kind of into it. It's better than being orange. And finally, here is the final result. I honestly don't even feel like I'm ready to end this video. This has been a lot of fun to make, but it has been a journey. Shout out to anyone who actually does all this upkeep and everything, because this is a lot. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!